Hagajingele persha yu Drok bat kajinge khun kumdo ban pindu jat ya u da kabakem mi kinong khayi bat ban kurubru yagi Droks nakaleng ki jaka ki baha bapo khasi giant hills kaba katnat pulit bat kashim ya ka kum ka eastern range henagasngi ka khandai trik nai weng arajar pulai hadien ka jingyo jingmanjor na ka yeng khashari kilala ban thangno haga kharkhna dobilat jonga star cement kabadana lumshnong east giant hills kajing thang ki Droks ki bade na ki san phuwei tali ki case ki bakantop yashpotali na east khasils artali na riboy district khatsautali na west khasils but arpsantali na west giant hills kalong katkum gajing ai hukum jongki yeng kashari but ki Droks ki balathang ne kasngi ki Shongdor hado South Klur Tyngka habakranch kilat pathai khubor u director general of police DGP ka Meghalaya u Dr Lajjaram Bishnoi ulaong bakajing jet yakalum shrang kadai namar bakadai ga jaka ka umla banwanra jingmai ka imlang salang lani zero risk kabala yo jingbet na state pollution board badru bala notify ta disposal committee u DGP ula ongru baki Droks ki bathang ki dei ki badang duna bha namar ki dang don bon kabaka tanat pulit kadang aban yo hukum na ka yeng kashari badla pentebru ba ki Droks ki baki pulit ki jiyo krup ki jubo ki malkhana kabala pahara da ki bor pulit hi
So today we have destroyed the heroin worth 3 crore rupees value. Then we have destroyed the cannabis, that is a total 180 lakh rupees, and 20 lakh rupees we have destroyed the Yava tablets. So total drugs worth rupees 4 crore has been destroyed today. The laid down procedures regarding disposal by the Honorable Supreme Court has been meticulously followed. And after completing all the formalities that we have requested the management of the cement factory and they very kindly and very readily agreed to entertain our request and they have given us the facility. You have seen the kilns of very long kilns, approximately 75 meter long and with a diameter of 4.5 meters. The inside temperature is nearly 1000 degrees centigrade. So all the drugs were reduced to AC instantly. And I sincerely hope that the drug menace problem will evaporate permanently from the state of magnificent Meghalaya, just like the leaking flame destroys the drugs today. So we are in the process of taking the court orders from all the pending cases where the large quantity of the drugs have been seized, and once the court order is received by the IOs, then we will go for the completing formalities regarding the drug disposal. In every district there is a district drug disposal committee is there. They screen all the cases meticulously after taking order from the court. So the representatives are not only from police department, but from civil administration, from judiciary, from the pollution control board, from health department, from excise departments. And once committee finally approves that these are the seizures fit for the disposal, then only we destroy the drugs. So there is a laid down procedure, and we have selected the cement factory here because here there is a zero risk as far as pollution is concerned. So we have already received NOC from the pollution control department, and they also agreed that the cement factory, the incineration is the best facility available here. All were instantly reduced to AC and no threat to any kind of environmental pollution. So that is why we have selected the safe site. As per Supreme Court order also, there should be a notified incineration place for the drug disposals, and we have kept So during last 1 year, you will be happy to know that we have seized nearly 24 kg heroin. And 1 kg heroin rate in the illicit market is 8 to 10 crore rupees. So 24 means the almost 230 to 240 crore rupees heroin was seized by Meghalaya police during last 1 year. We have arrested more than 500 drug traffickers during last 1 year. And we have registered nearly 135 cases throughout the length of Meghalaya. We have recovered the drugs more than 250 crore rupees. And we have created a lot of awareness program to generate awareness among not only among students and teaching community, but also among the masses, covering all the sections of society like businessmen, truck drivers, like shopkeepers, employees, their non-teaching staff, teachers, students. We are covering school, college, university, business places, marketplaces, etc. So you will be happy to know that during last year we have nearly conducted 1,500 awareness programs throughout the length and breadth of Meghalaya. So we have launched a massive drive against the drug trafficking, and through friends of media I appeal to the people of Meghalaya that they should come forward and cooperate with the police department and let us combat this menace united jointly, because this will otherwise it will threaten not only the individual but it has potential to ruin the whole society, and our social fabric will be disturbed completely, and it will give a lot of bad name to the state, and our youth, their economic productivity will become big deal. So to save youth, we have taken it as a challenge, and we are conducting enforcement drives almost on day-to-day basis, and definitely through media you are also aware, now people are aware that how much seizure is done on day-to-day basis. So in spite of substantial seizure by the district police, by the ANTF, Anti-Narcotic Task Force, depending on either human intelligence or technical intelligence, in spite of the huge seizure, the consumers' numbers are continuously increasing, and that is a big cause of concern for all of us. So we have decided to take the help of all sections of the society. We are giving the community leaders, religious leaders to help us to overcome the problem. So this is basically our mission, and I'm sure that with a lot of enthusiasm, commitment, zeal and hard work, we will be able to manage to control this problem.